Hello, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Champagne. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button and let me know down in the comments that this is your first video. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. Today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing for the week. And so today we are going to be stuffing 50, 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 200, 5, 10, 15, 25, 31. So $231. I hope everybody's having an amazing week and it's treating you good and you're treating yourself well. Looking forward to the weekend as always. I do have my sister in town and my nephew's birthday is on Friday, so I have a pretty busy weekend plan. So we're gonna start by emptying what's left over of my cash envelopes for the week. And so in gas, we have 10, 15, 16. I did have to put more gas in this week because I did drive around a lot more. Food, I did eat out, but I did not pay for it, so I still have my $25. I did get my hair done this weekend, and so I pretty much emptied all of my beauty out except for $50. That's what I had left over. I roll my beauty over every week because aside from my hair appointments, my beauty products come out of here as well, be it bath soap, deodorant, toothpaste, hair products, anything that I need for my self-care comes out of beauty. So this continues to roll over, so I'll keep that in there. Spending, I did not have to buy anything, so I still have that. So let's see what we have left over for the week. So we have 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, and 56. So $56, and what I do with this is I put it towards my savings challenges, and it goes towards things that I'm saving for. And yeah, so this will go to that. So I'm just going to put that to the side and then come back to it when I do my savings challenges in my next video. So coming back to gas, I give myself $100 every week. I am a hospice nurse, so I do drive around a lot. Depending on how many visits I have or if I'm doing routine visits or admissions, it kind of dictates how much gas I use. Last week I did a lot of driving around, and so I had to put $84 in to fill up. So we'll put the $100 in, and then we'll see at the end of the week how much I have to use for the fill up. Food, I give myself $25 a week. I try not to spend it. I do take snacks and water and my coffee and everything like that with me on the road. But sometimes I feel like stopping and having lunch with a friend, or maybe I want a snack or something. I have this just in case. I don't want to swipe my credit card, even though I can, but I'd rather not. I have a low spend year that I'm trying to do this year. And so this $25 helps me to not use my credit card, because that is obviously something I'm not trying to do. So I do try not to use it, and then it goes towards savings challenges. So beauty will get 25. So I will be saving up again for my next hair appointment. But right now we have 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, $75. So $75 for beauty. Next is my spending envelope. For spending, I give myself $15, and this is if I see something that I want, I have $15 to get it, regardless of what it is. If I go into Dollar Tree and I see that they have some pens or something like that, I have money to get it. Again, I try and not spend as much money as I can on things that I truly don't need, but I give myself money just in case. So I do budget for it, and then again, if I don't use it, it rolls back into things that I'm saving for. So this envelope here is for money that needs to go back to the bank to go towards, if I have swiped my credit card for gas, because I do get gas at Costco, so I have to use my credit card. This goes back to it. I do use my credit card for certain things, and then I just put the cash towards it because I do earn money back on my credit card, and so I'm actually saving that money for the entire year just to see how much it comes up to. And I think right now I'm at like $35. It's not a lot, but hey, it's extra money, and it's money that I'm going to use anyways that I have budgeted. So it works out that I use the credit card and then I put the money right directly back onto the credit card and then just get that cash back. So anyway, so that's money that needs to go back to the bank. And then moving on is going to be my dated funds. These are things that come up yearly, that I know of, and come up every year or every other year in, the case of my nursing license. It's every 2 years that I have to renew it. But what I do is I take the amount. So when, like for instance, my car registration, once I pay my car registration, I know I have a year before it's due again. So I take that amount, divide it by the 12 months, and then every month that's how much I have to budget to put into this envelope so that I have enough for when they're due. It helps a lot to not have to stress when they're due, and then you have to take a big chunk out of your check to pay for it. So I find this method so useful. But today car registration is going to get $10. So we now have 100, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So $180 that's going towards my car registration. And I need $250. Next is my nursing renewal. So this is due every other year, but it's due this year in October. So I need to have $255 for this one. And so today we are putting $5 in. And so we now have 100, 150, 170, 190, 195, 200, 510. So $210. So we're almost there on this one. This is due, like I said, in October. We haven't started putting anything in moving. So I will start putting something in here because I'm thinking we're going to move in the summertime. And so out here in California, in order to move into a place is ridiculous. They expect the rent, a deposit for the same amount as the rent, and then sometimes they want more than that. So it's just ridiculous. So I will start saving for this pretty soon. Next is my P.O. box. I pay 6 months and they give me 1 month free. So I paid it a couple months ago, so now I'm just saving up for when it's due again. So we now have 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and 40. So $40 going towards my P.O. box. Next is Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is due, then I just paid it January 1st, but it is not getting anything today. So we're done with our dated binder. Next is our undated, or things that I go into more often, revolving, so I use them more regularly. First envelope is family fund. This is for anything that I do with my family. When my niece, who is 6, is trying to earn money, she'll do little things to help out to make money. So I will take it out of this, or if we're having family picnics, or any kind of events with the family, if we're going to go somewhere like SeaWorld or anything like that, I will take it out of here. So today family is getting $10. And so in family we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 10, 20, and 30. So 130 to go towards any family events. Next is birthdays. Birthdays is going to be getting $10. I need to take some money out of this because it's my nephew's first birthday. So we are celebrating his birthday on Friday. So I will be just giving my sister-in-law cash because he pretty much has everything he needs. And so she has an account for him that she saves money in. And so this will go into that account. So we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 5. So 105 in birthdays. Next is medical. Medical I have fully funded at $500. And I'm going to keep it at $500, but I did see the doctor not too long ago for a really sharp pain that I was having in my shoulder. I never received a bill And so come to think of it, I do need to reach out to them because I should have some kind of payment. I know that my insurance did not cover it 100%. But if I do in fact have a bill, I will take it out of medical, and then I will start putting money back in to get it back up to 500. So right now, nothing is going in because nothing's come out. Next is going to be clothes. I am saving for some new scrubs and some new work shoes. And so I'm just saving here and there. So we're going to be putting $10 into here. So in clothes, we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 5, and 10. Sorry, I'm trying not to sneeze, so if I sound a little funny, that is why. Next is car maintenance. Car maintenance is getting $10. I will be needing a oil change shortly. So in car maintenance, we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 85. So $85. I really need to bulk this up because I'm going to need brakes and tires. So I'm thinking I'm going to put clothes and stuff on hold and just throw the money into my car maintenance fund. Next is support small. Support small will be getting $5. This is for anything that I want to purchase. I try and support as many small businesses as I can, whether it's on Etsy or for the creator or, you know, personal websites. I do try and buy things that I need, or, you know, I think somebody else would like. So I do put money aside for that. So I have so far 10, 15, 25, 35, and 40. So $40 of that for support small. I do have a few things that I want to purchase for my planner that I'm going to need. And so I will be looking for stickers to spend some of this money on. Next is my YouTube envelope. This envelope won't be getting anything, but it still has the money that I've put in here, which is 10, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 75, 80. So $80 is in my YouTube. This is going to be going towards a giveaway that I want to have for a specific shop. So I'm just waiting for that shop to open up. I do need to reach out to the owner of said shop to see if we can't do this giveaway. So that is this one. So that is the last of my cash envelopes. I do have some announcements coming up. I did open an Etsy shop, a separate Etsy shop, and I did come up with some challenges. I will be having a video over the weekend showing what it is. So for those that have always supported me, I really appreciate you guys. I cannot tell you how much I appreciate you. I'm trying to get a bigger shovel without inundating myself with too much nursing work because it can get very heavy. And so I'm trying to step away from doing extra shifts and extra jobs and things like that where nursing's concerned, and just trying to do my side business and put it together with budgeting. So please look out for that. Again, I thank you so much for being here. If you made it this far, I truly appreciate you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.